Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a banner on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first step, what you need to do is log in on your account YouTube, and now next click on your channel. You must be here, and now you click on the manage channel. Okay, and here on the second marks. Yes, as you can see, you here have image of banner. Here is required resolution this image and less than 6 megabytes. Okay, so we click on the change, and as you can see, here is your banner, and it is banner visible on every devices on the phones. Here is visible on computer, and here is visible on TV. And later you click on the enter here. Okay, I'll show you. And later this publish. And when you do it, the banner will be changed on other. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, and see you next time. Bye.